All right, guys, so we're shooting 300 yards with the 5.56, the one that we just sighted in not too long ago. But yeah, I'm gonna flip you around, zoom you down, and see if we can hit it. One, two, three. That's it. 3 shots, 3 hits. British weight. Hopefully you can see that. 3 shots, 3 hits. Not too shabby. So let me show you what we were shooting. Don't know if you guys can see that. That one right there is what we were shooting. So it's PA lower, Ruger upper, Troy handguard, Vortex Strike Eagle 1x6 scope. That's a sweet little shooting gun. Not too shabby.